Hello friends, welcome to this channel Infotainment. Here we'll show you how to create a cartoon picture of yourself. So let's go and see how to do that. For that you have to download an app called ToonMe. Well, if you can see ToonMe Cartoons from Photos. So I have already downloaded it. I'll just open it. You can see so many modes are available for this. For example, I want this kind of version. So this is how it converts the picture into cartoon or some kind of a painting figure. So for example, I have this picture here of me. I'll just click here, my picture, and I will press enter here. So once I press this arrow mark, it'll show some advertisement, then it will go on processing. Since it is a free version, so this is how it will process. It takes hardly 10-15 seconds to do it, and you can see my photo. So here you can animate it, you can you can play with this app to explore features. So this is how you do it, and you can also share this picture with in your social media. So it will come with a ToonMe hashtag. I'll just send to my friend. You can see this is how the picture is coming. So this is how you can share. So friends, this is how you can create a cartoon picture of yourself, exact replica of yourself, and share it with in your social media like WhatsApp or Facebook. So I hope this video was quite useful for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video across various platforms. Keep watching Infotainment. We'll be coming up with more of such videos. Thank you.